Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Jack the car, place jack stands under manufacturer points, and chock opposite wheels for safety. Once secure, brake lug nuts loose and remove the wheel to reveal the brake assembly. Inspect visually and with a caliper, check pad thickness and rotor surface to determine repair scope. Make sure to note the orientation of any hardware. This prevents reassembly errors. While you work, keep a drip pan for fluid, and lay out tools in order so you don't slow the repair. You now remove the caliper bolts and suspend the caliper using a hanger or bungee to avoid stress on the brake hose. This preserves system integrity. Once off, take out old pads, retain hardware orientation, and clean the bracket and piston area with brake cleaner. Compress the pistons slowly with a C-clamp or piston tool while monitoring fluid level in the master cylinder. Fit new pads, replace clips, and either resurface or install new rotors if they are below spec. Make sure slider pins move freely. Lubricate them. Once pads and caliper are back in place, torque caliper bolts to the specified value and reinstall the wheel, lowering the car before final lug torque in a star pattern. Next, bleed the system beginning at the farthest wheel until the pedal feels firm. Keep the master cylinder topped off to avoid introducing air. After bleeding, inspect for leaks and confirm parking brake operation. Finally, perform a careful low-speed test drive to bed the pads and verify no pull or noise.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.